Don't worry, we'll get through this.
How? It's so bad out there.
I promise. One day, we'll live in a house like that.
It's beautiful, but we're together, and that's what matters.
Take a look at this beauty. Incredible. The purity is off the charts. It's one of a kind. Make me an offer. I'll get the manager. My love, our new home.
Oh, darling, it's beautiful.
What a perfect evening.
It truly is.
I love you!
We love you too.
So much.